Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Threads. We go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Threads, and you will click here in this page like this. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.